Hi everyone. Ever wondered if there was an easier way to keep track on unclaimed leads? The Lead Pools feature in the REW CRM is designed to help manage and distribute leads efficiently within a real estate team. This feature streamlines the lead management process, ensuring that no lead is overlooked, improving overall team efficiency. In this video, I'll walk you through the setup, how to assign leads to pools, setting up routing rules with pools, and the permission settings for agents. So let's get into it. Log into the REW CRM and navigate to the CRM page. Click on the My Setup menu on the bottom left of the screen. This will open up a modal, and within the Organize section, click on Pools. This page is where you will be able to manage your pools. As you can see, I already have a few examples created. Underneath each pool displays how many leads and agents are assigned. To delete an existing pool, click on the trash icon to the right of a pool. To add a new pool, click on the blue New Pool button on the top right of the screen. Enter your pool's name and select a label color. Optionally, give it a description. Add the agents you wish to make this pool available to. And finally, hit Save. If I head back to my pools page, I will be able to see my new first-time buyers pool. Now that we've run through the setup of pools, it's time to add leads. Head back to the leads page by clicking on CRM on the top left corner of the screen. Add multiple leads by simply checking the boxes here, on the left side of a lead. Select the More drop-down and click on Assign Pools. This will open up a flyout, and within this, choose a pool to assign these leads to. Hit Assign to save your changes. It's that easy. Now, if you want a quick view of your pools on your leads homepage, you can add that to your columns. To do this, click on the View drop-down here on the right and select Manage Views. You can add it to a new view by clicking on the blue plus button, or edit an existing view by clicking on the pen icon. I'm going to add it to my Power Mode view. Within the flyout, search for Pools. By the way, you can drag and drop these columns to switch the order of your view. Once you're happy with your changes, hit Save. You will now see your pool column added to your view. You can also filter your leads by pools. Do this by clicking on Lead Filters. Type in Pools in the drop-down, and two filters will appear. Select the Has Lead Pool option for a simple true or false filter. Or to get more specific results, use the Lead Pools filter. Click Apply to see your results. Now that you're up to date with how lead pools work, let's go through how to integrate this with routing rules. For those who are unaware, a lead routing rule is a set of criteria that determines how incoming leads are assigned. Click on the hamburger menu on the top right corner of the screen and navigate to Settings. Within this page, open the Routing tab. To create a new rule, click on the blue plus button. Give your rule a title. Select multiple forms if you wish to auto-assign. Add an MLS criteria. Under the Assignment section, make sure you check Pools. This will allow you to search for the pool you wish to add to this rule. Make sure this rule is enabled, then save your changes. This new rule will now automatically assign leads to my luxury buyer's pool based on my routing rule criteria. The final part of this tutorial is setting up the permissions for agents. By default, only the admin will be able to view, edit, and delete all pools created. Click on the hamburger menu again and head to the company page. Select an agent. Within the Agent Summary drop-down, select Permissions. Expand the Leads Privileges section, and underneath you will be able to see the permission options for pools. Select the permissions you wish to grant this agent. And finally, save your changes. And that's about it. Manage and organize your leads effectively by using lead pools. If you have any questions or want to know more about this feature, please reach out to us at rew.com or join the conversation on our forums page. Thanks for watching.